undersea systems are at risk, right? Especially our warfighters and submarines. And our peer adversaries have growing capability, both in manned and unmanned platforms. And so to keep them at less risk, it makes sense to bring in unmanned vehicles that we can put it at greater risk.
Riptide has been a reliable partner for many years. Now that they're part of us, the opportunity to save money on integration work and developing capabilities for the customer becomes much smoother.
So Riptide are fairly new UUVs to the market and focusing on greater flexibility, more affordability, greater range, greater depth capabilities. Really try to be sort of the ubiquitous UUV for the market. On the endurance side of things, we focus on efficiencies for the vehicles, so we have really good hydrodynamic efficiencies and electrical efficiencies. So compared to other vehicles of the same size, they usually run for a couple hours. We actually can run for about a day and a half on alkaline batteries.
Because with the acquisition of Riptide, we're addressing the small to medium UUV market. A lot of our capability comes in small form factors when we compare that to our competitors.
The benefit of these man-portable systems is we can go out on the edge of the pier, throw it off the pier. We've run vehicles in dinghies, we've run vehicles even off of paddle boards. So by having a small UUV that is in that man-portable logistics class, we can fly them globally in commercial air, take them off the plane and go directly into a mission with the vehicles.
What we're really excited about is to have the opportunity to vertically integrate not just sensors and processing, but other payloads like autonomy.
We need to use autonomy for the vehicle to basically be able to automate a lot of what it does on its missions. The challenge going forward in this space is machine learning, deep learning, all those more complex algorithms and autonomy sort of standards need to be pulled into the systems to really make them smarter as we do these more complex missions that are needed going forward.
This is about technology disruption.
There's a much greater demand for more custom, higher level systems, such as acoustic communications, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance systems, greater levels of autonomy. And those are areas where BAE has a very strong strength in the market, where we're looking to integrate those kinds of payloads for future military missions.
We're going after problems that have never been solved before. And to me, that's exciting.
Sound doesn't travel in a straight line. Light doesn't penetrate too far. It's cold, it's dark, it's deep. A lot of pressure. It's just overall physically difficult. You know, it's truly challenging, but we don't take the easy missions, we take the hard ones.